Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Nest application if it is not working properly in 2026. So when you see that your Nest application is not working properly, so the very first thing that you need to do is to simply check your internet connection. So you can see whether the internet connection is stable or not. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and the mobile data. So currently, let's say I'm using mobile data, so I'm just going to simply swipe down the control center, and from here I'm going to switch to the Wi-Fi network, and then you can just simply open the application and see if it is now working properly again. Now if the issue is with your internet connection, you can just simply come inside the settings of your device. Inside the settings, simply tap on the option of this airplane mode. You need to turn it on for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you just have to basically turn it off. So it is going to help you improve the application and the internet connection. Now after doing so, you can also just come out of your Nest application completely, and then you can close it from the background. Then you just have to simply open the application again, and this is going to basically refresh the system, and it will also help in the syncing issues. Now you can also come inside the Google Play Store or App Store, and here you can search for the Nest application. If you find any kind of updates over here, make sure that you tap on that and update your application to the latest version. If the application opens but your devices are missing, so you need to make sure that you are signing into the correct Google account of yours. So you can just simply do these simple tricks and see if it is now working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.